Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain you about how to use simple past tense. Well, I'm also going to tell you a short story related to the use of simple past tense. After the story, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. So you must listen to me carefully and try to understand. We use simple past tense to express an activity which happened in the past. We use verb to after the subject in simple past tense. Oke, dalam simple past tense kita menggunakan kata kerja kedua setelah subjek. Simple past tense menggambarkan sebuah kejadian yang terjadi di masa lalu atau masa lampau. Oke, ada kalanya kita menggunakan to be setelah subjek. To be-nya ada dua, yaitu was atau were. Was untuk I, he, she, atau it, yaitu orang ketiga tunggal. Sedangkan were untuk you, we, dan they. To be digunakan untuk menghubungkan subjek dengan kata benda, kata sifat, dan kata keterangan. Apabila menggunakan kata kerja, kita gunakan kata kerja kedua. Kata kerja kedua ada dua macam, yaitu yang beraturan atau yang disebut dengan regular verb, dan yang tidak beraturan atau irregular verb. Regular verb yaitu kata kerjanya adalah dibentuk dari kata kerja pertama ditambah dengan D atau ED. Seperti like menjadi liked, love menjadi loved, open menjadi open, close menjadi closed. Sedangkan yang tidak beraturan adalah harus dihafalkan. Seperti think menjadi thought, go menjadi went, have menjadi had, swim menjadi swam, speak menjadi spoke, dan sebagainya. Okay, now let's start our story, and we should try and memorize and repeat after me. Okay, are you ready? Alright. Christopher Columbus was an explorer. He thought the earth was round. People at that time did not believe him. They laughed at him. Finally, he had enough money for 3 small ships. He was on the ocean for many, many weeks. His sailors were very afraid. Finally, they saw a land. The land was America. Okay, Christopher Columbus was an explorer. Christopher Columbus merupakan seorang yang penjelajah. He thought, dia pikir, the earth was round. Bumi itu adalah bulat. Dia pikir bumi itu bulat. People at that time did not believe him. Orang saat itu tidak mempercayainya. They laughed at him. Mereka mentertawakannya. Finally, he had enough money for 3 small ships. Pada akhirnya, dia memiliki cukup uang untuk membeli 3 perahu kecil. He was on the ocean for many, many weeks. Dia berada di samudera berminggu-minggu. His sailors were very afraid. His sailors were very afraid. Ya. Jadi anak buah kapal itu sangat ketakutan. Finally, they saw land. Pada akhirnya mereka melihat daratan. The land was America. Daratan itu adalah benua Amerika. Okay, now please listen and repeat after me to improve your speaking skill. Oke, untuk meningkatkan kemampuan berbicara, Anda menirukan saya berkali-kali ya. And you should have partners to practice conversation or dialogue. Now, repeat after me please. Christopher Columbus was an explorer. He thought the earth was round. People at that time did not believe him. They laughed at him. Finally, he had enough money for 3 small ships. He was on the ocean for many, many weeks. His sailors were very afraid. At last, they saw land. The land was America. Okay, do you still remember the story? Masih ingat tadi ya? Now I'm going to ask you some question about it. Sekarang saya akan menanyakan beberapa pertanyaan mengenai cerita tadi. Question number 1. Was Christopher Columbus an explorer? The next question. Did he think the earth was flat? The next question. What did he think of the earth? Did the people at the time believe him? Did they love him? Did he finally have enough money for 3 small ships? How long was he on the ocean? Were his sailors very afraid? Did they finally see land? Was the land Africa? Was the land Australia? Was the land America? Well, you have partners. Please make conversation with your partner to improve your speaking skill. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.